How long have you been doing it for? 3 years.
Yeah, is that weird for you to say?
Oh yeah.
I said he liked it.
Helping?
Now you're wearing she was. She cartwheeled it. She did it. Just listen to me and we'll do the giant piece of glass. So what you're gonna do? Take 2 steps and stick it wide. Bring your feet together like this. So reaching your waist a little bit this way. Grab.
Feet up in the air, baby. Yeah, boy.
John Michael.
Hi.
That's your name, right? John Michael?
Sean Michael.
Sean Michael?
Yeah.
Sean Michael. Okay, Sean Michael. How did you balance? You gotta be super stable. I don't understand that. How you let go? Like I was like, there's no way I can balance. I don't know.
That sounds a little too challenging for you, huh? I think it is.
You don't have faith in her? She already said. No, what did you say? I think that sounds a little challenging for you.
Oh my god.
I just like the timing.
Stay hands straight.
I tried this.
So hands stay connected if you want. Weight goes into the grab your hips. Now, if you're going to get a picture, a pretty picture, hand stands, you can take which leg is easier to stick to the sky.
I mean, yeah. I think we climbed into it too, though. Like we stepped into one instead of just from the ground. Didn't go all the way up. Are you hurt?
I'll let it be cranked.
Right. I did.
Because I dove. I don't know, after I died, like,
Oh, look at that. That one went well, huh?
he's not great, but I know he's got so much control. You guys are so great.
Did, huh? Hello, sir. Good. Are you a photographer?
Yes.
I'm a photographer too.
Yeah. Oh, no, this side pattern.
Yeah. Oh! Man. Oh my gosh, my arms are killing me. Oh! Oh!
Try forward.
Man.
So you're gonna spot from the back. Per back. Yep. So
Oh! You did it! It went from a big challenge to like some kind of a challenge. Oh yeah. This helps. My God, if I could go up on that tree and take video, I would popular. It doesn't seem to be going out too well for those. It's like,
you see how you're low? You see, if I end up doing this, there's no way. Because look how chambered you are. Right? You have no leverage at all about it. So here, my thighs actually on your chest here. I'm actually supported as well. But that gives you the leverage as well as yourself. So we're actually both about chambered the same amount. Oh, I just realized you're taking cameras. Never mind. I'm taking cameras? My bad. Oh, you thought I was about to play somebody? No. Yeah, I was like, ready? Waiting somewhere. I've done that before. I'm waiting.
That acro yoga move?
You just jump straight up and down.
Yeah. That's a big one. You couldn't even do it at first.
sprints. Like I get broke down, I'm just sprinting. Like, yeah, I got some really good
Oh!